Okay, we got us another commercial client. Just like that. Lord keep blessing. Nice little store in our area. Nice little store in that area. We're gonna flip these walls for them. Give them a nice professional job. All gray with a little accent in the dish area. Check us out. You do a chalkboard. How do you paint over a chalkboard wall? How do you paint over a chalkboard wall? This is what we do. Sand it out. Number one, feather it out. Get rid of all the spots. Make everything even. Prime it out is what we got today. It's fast prime. You just need a blocking primer. All right? We'll get you the results. Then you paint it. This is what we had after night one. Real loud ice machine. That's that agreeable gray. Looking groovy. Looking groovy. We're going to come on back and knock out the rest of these walls. A lot of repairs, man. There's a lot of repairs, as you can see. Omega had no. We back at it. We had some more repairs we had to do at our commercial spots. Something that just did not come out right, so we went back over it. We had to fan it all out. Gotta make this super right for the customer service area. Everything else is looking pretty good. We got the regular touch-ups. Get paint off of this, paint off of that. It happens. Got some touch-ups right there. So we're gonna go get some more paint, come back, tighten it up. All right. This is the last video for the commercial paint job. Lego tired, Jason. and he tired of me. So, but he did. Look at this job. Look at this counter, man.
Tired and broke.
Look at this counter. Look at this counter, man. He did it, man. He tightened this up. This is excellent. This is excellent. All this look good. This front wall looks good. We had to float this wall out 2-3 times. You got the dish area back there looking good. It's looking good. Looking good. All right. Another one down.